7 Superfoods for healthy hair growth and preventing hair loss. Hair loss is a common concern for many people, and promoting hair growth requires proper nourishment from within. Superfoods are nutrient-packed foods that can help improve hair health and stimulate hair growth. By incorporating these superfoods into your diet, you can take a proactive approach to prevent hair loss and promote strong, vibrant hair. Here are 7 superfoods that can work wonders for your hair. Salmon. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for a healthy scalp and hair growth. Omega-3s nourish the hair follicles, reduce inflammation on the scalp, and improve hair elasticity, making your locks less prone to breakage. Additionally, salmon is an excellent source of protein, which is essential for hair structure and growth. Eggs. Eggs are a powerhouse of nutrients that promote hair growth. They are rich in biotin, a B vitamin that plays a key role in maintaining healthy hair and scalp. Biotin deficiency can lead to hair loss, so including eggs in your diet can help prevent this. Eggs also contain protein and other essential nutrients like zinc and iron, which are vital for healthy hair growth. Spinach. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable that is packed with vitamins and minerals, including iron, beta-carotene, and vitamins C and E. These nutrients help improve scalp health and stimulate hair growth. Iron is particularly important for healthy hair, as an iron deficiency can lead to hair thinning and loss. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for the production of sebum, the natural oil that keeps your scalp and hair moisturized. A well-hydrated scalp is essential for healthy hair growth and preventing hair loss. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, walnuts, and flax seeds, are excellent sources of essential fatty acids, vitamin E, and zinc. These nutrients promote hair growth, improve hair texture, and reduce hair breakage. Including a variety of nuts and seeds in your diet can provide a wide range of nutrients that benefit your hair. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a protein-rich food that contains vitamin B5, pantothenic acid, which helps improve blood flow to the scalp and hair follicles. This increased blood flow nourishes the hair roots and stimulates hair growth. Greek yogurt also contains vitamin D, which plays a role in hair follicle cycling. Berries. Berries, such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, are packed with antioxidants that protect hair follicles from oxidative stress. The high vitamin C content in berries also aids in collagen production, which is essential for strong and healthy hair. Including a variety of berries in your diet can provide a wide range of nutrients that support hair growth. Incorporating these 7 superfoods into your diet can help prevent hair loss and promote healthy hair growth. Remember that a balanced diet, along with proper hair care and a healthy lifestyle, are essential for maintaining vibrant and strong hair. Additionally, consult with a healthcare professional or a dermatologist if you are experiencing severe hair loss or other hair-related concerns to determine the underlying cause and receive appropriate treatment. Ready to embark on a journey to a healthier and happier you? Don't miss out on any of our upcoming health and wellness tips. Hit that subscribe button and join our thriving community of wellness enthusiasts.